In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily get your Telegram profile link on mobile. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Telegram app, then go to settings and then hit on edit at the top right hand corner, just like that. You will be taken to this page where you can easily find username. Just tap on it, and that's where you can find the link to your Telegram profile right here. If you haven't set your username yet, you need to first off enter your username here, and then you will be able to copy that link simply by tapping on it and then selecting copy link. You can just hit add copy link to copy it to the clipboard, and after that you will be able to share it wherever you want, or you can tap at your link and then just send it to someone via Telegram or via some other tools like messages, mail, Facebook, and all other social media platforms. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.